ready to blast off and create cosmic masterpieces. Let's design a stellar space gradient background in Adobe Illustrator. First, open Adobe Illustrator and create a new document, then grab the rectangle tool and draw a rectangle that covers your entire artboard. This will be our canvas. Now, with the rectangle selected, open the gradient panel, click on the gradient slider to apply a basic gradient. Double-click on the color stops in the gradient panel to change the colors. Let's use deep blues, purples, and blacks for a space-like feel. Experiment and find the colors you like. Add more color stops to the gradient slider by clicking beneath it. Play with different shades of blue, purple, pink, and even a touch of orange to simulate nebula gases. Change the gradient type from linear to radial. This will create a central point of light that radiates outwards. Next, go to Effect, Distort and Transform, and choose Roughen. Adjust the size and detail settings to add some texture, making the gradient less smooth and more like a cosmic cloud. Finally, add a touch of blur. Go to Effect, Blur, and select Gaussian blur. A subtle blur softens the colors and blends them together beautifully. To add stars, use the ellipse tool to create small white circles with varying sizes. Scatter them across the background for a realistic starry sky. And there you have it, a stunning space gradient background ready to elevate your digital art and designs. Don't forget to experiment with different colors and effects to create your own unique cosmic creations.